guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about some serious allegations in a story that is currently developing with NFL Hall of Famer and media personality Uncle Shannon, or Club Shay Shay, whatever, Shannon Sharpe. So y'all, basically what is happening is that there has been a $50 million lawsuit that was filed against him. And so the details in this case is very shocking and it's very sensitive. And I'm going to be breaking all of this down about what we know so far in regards to the lawsuit that was filed against him. So, as always, I encourage respectful dialogue in the comment section below. These are real lives that are involved in this case, you guys. So basically what is happening, they're saying on April 20th of 2025, so recently, like yesterday, a woman identified in court documents as Jane Doe, so her name is anonymous, filed a civil lawsuit in Nevada state court accusing Shannon of serious misconduct, y'all. So the allegations in this lawsuit include sexual assault, battery, unlawful recording, and intentional infliction of emotional distress, spanning from what the plaintiff describes as a nearly 2-year relationship that she had with Shannon. So she's seeking $50 million in damages, and according to like some of the reports, because I have not seen the lawsuit itself, I can't find it because I am not paying for it. But from what I'm reading on articles, the allegation include multiple non-consensual sexual encounters, including in October 2024, an incident where she says she was forcibly taken to Shannon's home, and in another in January 2025 involving unprotected intercourse against her wishes, y'all. This is insanity, because you don't know who a person is, and all these are allegations, and we don't know if it's true or not, but we'll just have to see how all of this plays out, right? So this lawsuit basically, or it also alleged that Shannon secretly recorded their sexual encounters without her having any knowledge. And apparently he shared some of these recordings. And so the woman also claims that this has caused her emotional and psychological harm. And so I'm assuming when she filed this lawsuit, she had the proof of him sending it to other people in these videos that were recorded without her knowledge, because she's going to have to prove all of that with evidence, y'all. So I'm assuming she has all of this, right? And so just adding to the allegations or to this lawsuit, the complaint referenced an alleged incident where Shannon accidentally live streamed a sexual encounter with another woman. Y'all know this, oh my Michelle or whatever, right? And so the plaintiff says that this contributed to her emotional trauma. So we all remember when Shannon went live on Instagram having sex with some woman, I think her name was Michelle. So that's the incident that she's referencing, y'all, in this lawsuit. So her lawyer is, who we all know, Tony Busby, who is a well-known attorney who has represented several women and representing several women in these high-profile cases involving P. Diddy. Another case he had, which was a case against Jay-Z. So we all know who Tony Busby is, because his name has been in the news a lot within the last year. So Shannon, through his attorney, Lanny J. Davis, has denied all of these allegations and claims and made a public statement. And so basically his lawyer is saying that this lawsuit is a blatant and cynical attempt to shake down Shannon for millions of dollars. And so he further emphasized that he will fight the claims in court and that Shannon looks forward to clearing his name. This does not look good for Club Shay Shay or Uncle Shannon or whatever, but you never really know who a person is. And also, we don't know if this stuff is true or not, because a lot of people file frivolous lawsuits all the time, and Tony Busby hasn't been looking so great in the media as well as it pertains to some of these cases that he's filed lawsuits against P. Diddy in New York. So we really just don't know. And so a lot of people on the internet are expecting, they're basically questioning, right, the timing of all of this. And so because Shannon is reportedly negotiating a major podcast deal right now, and he has seen a recent boost in media attention with his show Club Shay Shay. And so some people are taking a more cautious and empathetic approach to this, reminding everyone to take the allegations such as these very seriously and allow the legal process to unfold. And I do agree that we need to take these allegations very seriously and let the legal process do its thing. I don't know this man Shannon. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it wasn't true. I wasn't there. But I do know Hollywood is weird, and weird things do happen. Inappropriate things do happen. And not even just in Hollywood, but just with a lot of people in general, right? So this situation or the scenario that's going on right now is really just a reminder of how quickly public perception can shift, especially when someone as prominent as Shannon Sharpe is involved. And so right now, this is a civil case, you guys. This is not a criminal case, which means Shannon won't be facing any jail time unless criminal charges are filed down the line. However, the financial and his reputation implications of this lawsuit, it is very, very, very major. And so if the case does proceed, we'll likely see pretrial motions filed, possibly some depositions, and maybe a settlement discussion or a trial. A lot of times these type of cases usually settle out in court. Settle out before a trial can even happen. A check is written and it's hushed, like we don't hear anything else about it. So I will keep you guys posted as it pertains to the Shannon Sharpe case, just to kind of see how all of this plays out, because I'm kind of surprised. Like, the personality and the persona that we see on camera, I don't get that from him. But girl, also I didn't get that he would be having sex on live. So but it's also interesting, and I'm not one to gossip, so you didn't hear this from me, but like, a lot of people have questioned Shannon's sexuality as well. So, this is not me being funny, but I'm just saying, so a lot of people have questioned sexuality and thought he was actually with a man named Hollywood, but in fact that he's been with this woman apparently for like the last couple of years. So I just want to say, as this story just continues to develop, we'll just keep a close eye on you guys, and for more details come out, or if any statements from Shannon come out, or court responses or new developments, I will be sure to update you guys here on my YouTube channel. So I want to know, what are you guys' thoughts on this situation below? Do you think that this is a case of misconduct or misunderstanding or something else entirely? So drop your comments below, but please keep it respectful because of the sensitive nature of this topic and what is happening. Great, or if you found this video informative and you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates on major stories and deep dives and trendy topics. And it is your girl Brittany Jane, and I will see you guys in the next video. So bye.